Let me show you how to find new article ideas using AI. Now, if you have a website and you're not necessarily sure which articles or topics will be the most impactful for your company and fill in gaps where maybe your competitors are doing better, I'm going to show you how to do all of that using my partner SEMrush's SEMrush One. Now, you'll be able to see in the description down below, you can just tap on this link right here, and you'll be able to go directly to this page where you can try it out completely free for 7 days to see if it adds a lot of value for you and your company. Now, after you do sign up, basically, you're just going to go home here, semrush.com. And on the left-hand side, we're going to scroll down till we get to AI visibility. From here, let's tap on visibility overview. And then you're just going to type in your domain. In this case, I'm just going to use a local nursery around plantdelights.com to see their specific opportunities in terms of topics or articles. You'll be able to see the AI visibility, but I can scroll down and you can see topics and sources. Now, all of these are instances where my company or your company performs well. You can see on all of these options, basically your brand has been mentioned. However, if you wanted to find new articles that you basically could write that are opportunities, go to topic opportunities. Now, from here, you can see a number of different options and the AI volume. For instance, if I go down to crepe myrtle and myrtle tree care, this is a really popular one with 275,000 views or searches. And you can see, for instance, plants under crepe myrtle. What plants can you plant under a crepe myrtle? You can see your brand, in this case, is missing. I can tap on view full response to get an idea of all of the other brands that are mentioned when this is prompted, and you can see the response that it gives. Essentially, this gives you article ideas that are fully actionable that maybe your competitors are ranking well for these specific items or these searches that your company isn't ranking well for. So again, you can type in and basically make articles around, where can I buy crepe myrtles, etc. But you can also go up and go to cotton candy plants and flowers. And again, write articles or content or provide products or services related to all of this stuff. Where can I buy cotton candy plants or seeds and how to take care of them? All of those things. Basically, you'll be able to go through here and get an idea of those missed opportunities for new articles, new blog posts, all of that stuff for your website.